Elena stared at her medicine cabinet, counting the empty bottles. Third respiratory infection this year, and it wasn't even summer yet. Her doctor's words echoed in her mind. Your immune system seems to be struggling. At 34, she felt like she was constantly fighting something. A scratchy throat, lingering fatigue, that run-down feeling that never quite went away. What Elena didn't realize was that her daily food choices were either supporting or sabotaging her body's natural defense system. Did you know that approximately 2 billion people worldwide are affected by zinc deficiency alone? A single nutrient deficiency that can dramatically compromise immune function. That innocent-looking processed lunch she grabbed daily was potentially weakening her body's ability to fight infections for hours afterward. But here's where Elena's story takes a hopeful turn. Recent research from leading institutions like Harvard Medical School, the Mayo Clinic, and studies published in peer-reviewed journals are revealing something remarkable. Specific foods contain compounds that can genuinely strengthen immune function in measurable ways. We're not talking about vague superfoods claims, but actual peer-reviewed research showing how certain nutrients can enhance white blood cell activity, improve antibody production, and help your body mount more effective defenses against infections. What if I told you that one food on today's list contains compounds that can help train your immune cells to respond more efficiently? That another has been shown in clinical studies to reduce the duration of cold symptoms by an average of 2 days. And the most surprising discovery? Recent research from 2024 shows that the timing of when you eat certain immune-supporting foods can dramatically affect their potency. Stay with me because I'm about to share 10 science-backed foods that researchers are studying for their genuine immune-supporting properties. These aren't miracle cures, but real foods with real research behind them. Each one contains specific compounds that work with your immune system in ways that scientists can actually measure and explain. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions, take medications, or have compromised immunity. All right, let's dive straight into the foods that can boost your immune system, starting with number 1, elderberries. Imagine reaching for a small, dark purple berry that European cultures have trusted for respiratory health for centuries. Elderberries aren't just folklore. They're one of the most researched immune-supporting foods available today, with clinical studies backing their traditional use. Recent research published in 2024 found that elderberry extract increased IL-6 and IL-10 cytokine production by 35% and 40% respectively in human immune cells. These are signaling molecules that help coordinate your immune response. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health notes that preliminary research suggests elderberry may help relieve symptoms of flu, colds, and other upper respiratory infections. A randomized controlled trial with air travelers found that those taking elderberry extract experienced 2 days shorter cold duration and reduced cold symptoms compared to placebo. The active compounds responsible are primarily anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give elderberries their deep purple color, and unique polysaccharides that researchers believe help enhance immune cell communication. You can find elderberry syrup in health food stores or make your own by simmering dried elderberries with water, honey, and ginger. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily during cold season or follow product instructions for commercial preparations. Important safety note: people who are immunocompromised should avoid elderberry as it might overstimulate the immune system, and raw elderberries can cause digestive upset. Do you already include elderberry in your wellness routine, or would this be new for you? Next, food number 2, shiitake mushrooms. Picture pulling fresh shiitake mushrooms from your grocery bag, knowing you're about to consume one of nature's most studied immune-supporting compounds. These mushrooms contain beta-glucans, complex carbohydrates that act like molecular trainers for your immune system. A 2023 randomized controlled trial found that participants taking reishi-derived beta-glucans showed significant enhancement in CD3+, CD4+, and CD8 plus T lymphocyte populations, key immune cells that help fight infections. Cell studies show that shiitake mushrooms can inactivate viruses and downregulate viral replication, while clinical research demonstrates their ability to increase T cells and NK, natural killer cells. The fascinating science behind this involves what researchers call trained immunity. Beta-glucans literally help educate your innate immune cells to respond more efficiently to future threats. Think of it as a training camp for your white blood cells. Include fresh shiitake mushrooms in stir-fries, soups, or pasta dishes 3 to 4 times per week. If fresh aren't available, dried shiitake can be rehydrated and used similarly. You can also find beta-glucan supplements, but whole mushrooms provide additional beneficial compounds. Cook them thoroughly. Raw mushrooms can be difficult to digest and may contain small amounts of potentially harmful compounds that cooking eliminates. Next, food number 3. Zinc-rich foods. Imagine your immune system as an army, and zinc as the essential equipment your soldiers need to function. Without adequate zinc, even the most well-trained immune cells can't perform their protective duties effectively. Research published in 2024 confirms that zinc is vital for strengthening the immune system and treating infectious diseases, with deficiency leading to high susceptibility to viral infections. Zinc deficiency affects immune cells, resulting in altered host defense and increased inflammation risk. Studies show that zinc influences virtually every aspect of immune function, from white blood cell production to antibody formation. Clinical research has documented that zinc-deficient individuals experience severe immune dysfunction, particularly affecting T helper cells, while adequate zinc intake supports normal development of immune cells in both innate and adaptive immune systems. Oysters contain the highest zinc concentration of any food. 6 medium oysters provide about 32 milligrams of zinc. For land-based options, try pumpkin seeds. 1 ounce provides 2.2 milligrams. Grass-fed beef, 3 ounces provides about 4.5 milligrams. Or chickpeas. The recommended daily amount is 11 milligrams for men and 8 milligrams for women. Avoid taking zinc supplements on an empty stomach as they can cause nausea. And don't exceed recommended doses as too much zinc can actually suppress immune function. Which of these zinc-rich foods do you eat regularly? Or do you think you might be missing this crucial nutrient? Next, food number 4. Fermented foods. Picture your digestive system as the headquarters of your immune army, because that's essentially what it is. About 70% of your immune system resides in your gut, making fermented foods crucial allies in maintaining strong immunity. Recent research confirms that maintaining a healthy immune system requires consuming a balanced diet that provides various nutrients, and the gut microbiome plays a central role in immune function. Fermented foods provide beneficial bacteria that support this crucial gut-immune connection. A 2024 study found that combining probiotics with other immune-supporting compounds led to distinct immune cell responses, specifically upregulating IL-6 and IL-10 expression in human immune cells. These beneficial bacteria help maintain the intestinal barrier that prevents harmful pathogens from entering your system while supporting the production of immune cells. Include fermented foods daily. A cup of plain yogurt with live cultures for breakfast. A small serving of sauerkraut or kimchi with lunch. Or kefir as a snack. Look for products labeled with live and active cultures. Start slowly if you're new to fermented foods, as your digestive system needs time to adjust. Avoid products with added sugars, which can feed harmful bacteria and counteract the benefits. Next, food number 5. Citrus fruits. Imagine starting your morning with a glass of fresh orange juice, knowing you're providing your immune cells with one of their most essential nutrients. Vitamin C isn't just about preventing scurvy. It's a crucial component of immune function that your body can't manufacture on its own. The Mayo Clinic identifies vitamin C-rich foods including citrus fruits, berries, melons, tomatoes, bell peppers, and broccoli as important immune-supporting nutrients. Research confirms that vitamin C helps keep the immune system strong, by supporting various cellular functions of both innate and adaptive immunity. Vitamin C supports the production and function of white blood cells, helps maintain skin barriers that keep pathogens out, and acts as an antioxidant protecting immune cells from damage during infection-fighting processes. It also enhances iron absorption, another important immune-supporting mineral. Aim for a variety of vitamin C sources throughout the day rather than one large dose, as your body can only absorb about 200 milligrams at a time. One medium orange provides about 70 milligrams, while 1 cup of strawberries offers 85 milligrams. Red bell peppers are particularly rich, with 1 cup providing over 190 milligrams. Fresh sources are best, but frozen fruits and vegetables retain most of their vitamin C content. Next, food number 6, garlic. Picture crushing a fresh garlic clove and releasing that distinctive aroma. You're actually activating powerful immune-supporting compounds that humans have relied on for thousands of years. Modern research is now validating what traditional cultures have long known about garlic's protective properties. Studies show that garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound formed when garlic is chopped or crushed, along with other antioxidant compounds that help fight inflammation and balance the immune system. Research from Ethiopia studying the combination of honey and garlic found antimicrobial effects against pathogenic bacteria, with the combination showing stronger effects than either ingredient alone. The key to maximizing garlic's benefits is proper preparation. Chopping or crushing fresh garlic releases more allicin than using whole cloves, though chopped garlic can lose its allicin content quickly, so use it as soon as possible after preparation. Include 1 to 2 fresh garlic cloves daily in cooking. Crush or mince the garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to allow allicin formation. Add it toward the end of cooking to preserve heat-sensitive compounds. If you find raw garlic too intense, try roasting whole bulbs for a milder flavor while still retaining beneficial compounds. Avoid garlic supplements if you're taking blood-thinning medications, as garlic can enhance their effects. Next, food number 7, sweet potatoes. Imagine cutting into a vibrant orange sweet potato, revealing flesh packed with beta-carotene, a compound your body converts to vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining your immune system's first line of defense. Beta-carotene is found in plant foods such as sweet potatoes, spinach, carrots, mangoes, broccoli, and tomatoes, and supports immune function. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining the integrity of mucous membranes in your respiratory and digestive tracts, the barriers that keep pathogens from entering your body in the first place. Beta-carotene also supports the production and function of white blood cells, particularly T cells that coordinate immune responses. Unlike vitamin A supplements, which can be toxic in high doses, beta-carotene from food sources is safe because your body only converts what it needs. Include orange and yellow vegetables daily. 1 medium-baked sweet potato provides over 100% of your daily vitamin A needs. Other excellent sources include carrots, butternut squash, and dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. Cooking these vegetables and eating them with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil, enhances beta-carotene absorption since it's a fat-soluble nutrient. Do you eat enough colorful vegetables daily? Or could you use more orange and yellow foods in your diet? Next, food number 8, green tea. Picture starting your afternoon with a steaming cup of green tea, knowing you're sipping one of the most studied immune-supporting beverages in the world. Green tea contains a powerful compound called EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate, that researchers have found supports multiple aspects of immune function. Research shows that antioxidants in various foods, including those found in tea, help support the infection-fighting ability of immune systems. EGCG acts as both an antioxidant and an immune modulator, helping to balance immune responses while protecting cells from oxidative damage that can occur during infection-fighting processes. Studies suggest that regular green tea consumption may help reduce the risk and duration of upper respiratory infections. The polyphenols in green tea also support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, reinforcing that crucial gut immune connection. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily for optimal benefits. Steep the tea for 3 to 5 minutes in water that's hot but not boiling to extract beneficial compounds without creating bitterness. If caffeine is a concern, choose decaffeinated green tea, which retains most polyphenols, or drink it earlier in the day. Avoid adding milk, as proteins can bind to the beneficial compounds and reduce their absorption. Next, food number 9, bone broth from grass-fed sources. Imagine simmering bones for hours, extracting not just flavor, but immune-supporting compounds that our ancestors intuitively knew were healing. Properly made bone broth provides amino acids, minerals, and other nutrients that support immune function in multiple ways. Harvard's nutrition experts note that consuming adequate protein from sources including bone-based broths provides amino acids essential for immune cell function. Bone broth is rich in glycine, proline, and glutamine, amino acids that support gut barrier function and help produce glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. The long cooking process also extracts minerals like zinc, selenium, and phosphorus in highly bioavailable forms. The gelatin formed during proper bone broth preparation supports digestive health, which directly impacts immune function since most of your immune system resides in your gut. Make bone broth by roasting grass-fed bones, then simmering them for 12 to 24 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar to help extract minerals. The finished broth should gel when refrigerated, indicating proper collagen extraction. Drink a cup daily as a warming beverage, or use it as a base for soups and cooking grains. Store in the refrigerator for up to a week, or freeze in portions. Next, food number 10, wild-caught fatty fish. Picture a piece of wild salmon on your plate, knowing you're about to consume omega-3 fatty acids that help resolve inflammation and support immune cell function. These essential fats play crucial roles in immune regulation that researchers are still discovering. Studies show that omega-3 fatty acids have beneficial effects on immune cells and help maintain proper immune system balance. Unlike the chronic inflammation that weakens immunity, the omega-3 EPA and DHA help resolve acute inflammation once infections are cleared, allowing your immune system to return to its surveillance state. Research indicates that adequate omega-3 intake supports the production of specialized pro-resolving mediators compounds that help end inflammatory responses appropriately. This is crucial because immune systems that can't properly resolve inflammation become chronically activated and less effective at fighting new threats. Include fatty fish like wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, or anchovies 2 to 3 times per week. A 3.5-ounce serving of wild salmon provides about 2.3 grams of omega-3. If you don't eat fish, consider algae-based omega-3 supplements. Store fish properly and consume it fresh, as omega-3 are delicate and can become rancid. Avoid farm-raised fish when possible, as they typically contain lower levels of beneficial omega-3. Type yes in the comments if you're ready to start including more of these evidence-based immune-supporting foods in your daily routine. Let me summarize these 10 scientifically backed foods that can genuinely support your immune system. Elderberries with their clinically studied anthocyanins and polysaccharides. Shiitake mushrooms providing immune-training beta-glucans. Zinc-rich foods like oysters and pumpkin seeds essential for immune cell function. Fermented foods supporting your gut-based immunity. Vitamin C-rich citrus fruits, maintaining immune cell health. Garlic with its allicin compounds. Beta-carotene-rich sweet potatoes protecting barrier functions. Green tea's immune-modulating EGCG. Mineral-rich bone broth supporting multiple immune pathways. And omega-3 rich fish helping resolve inflammation appropriately. But here's the bonus insight I promised. Something that cutting-edge research revealed just this year. A comprehensive review published in Nature in 2024 emphasized that nutrition acts on the immune system through complex, interconnected pathways, and the timing and combination of nutrients matters more than individual foods consumed in isolation. This means the magic isn't just in eating these foods occasionally. It's in consistently providing your immune system with a varied array of these nutrients. Your immune cells are constantly being produced and renewed, and they need steady supplies of these building blocks to function optimally. Think of it as fueling a sophisticated biological system rather than looking for quick fixes. Remember Elena from our opening story. 6 months after incorporating these evidence-based foods into her daily routine, not as supplements or extreme measures, but as delicious, nourishing meals, she noticed something remarkable. Her energy was more stable, seasonal bugs didn't knock her down like they used to, and her doctor noted improved markers in her blood work. Food became her foundation for better health, just as research suggests it should be. Your immune system is working for you every single day, identifying threats, fighting infections, and maintaining the delicate balance that keeps you healthy. These foods provide the raw materials it needs to do that job effectively. This isn't about perfection. It's about consistently choosing foods that work with your biology rather than against it. Harvard Health emphasizes that while no single dietary factor can boost immunity dramatically, general healthy living strategies make sense since they likely help immune function and come with other proven health benefits. That's exactly what these 10 foods represent. Proven strategies backed by real research. If you'd like me to create a follow-up video covering the foods and habits that can actually weaken your immune system, because avoiding immune suppressors is just as important as including immune supporters, let me know in the comments below. Your questions and requests help me create content that truly serves your health goals. Hit that like button if this research-based approach to immune nutrition was helpful. Share it with someone who could benefit from stronger immunity, and subscribe for more science-backed health content. Remember, your next meal is an opportunity to support your immune system. Make it count.